So in Qwen, what you can also do is you can go ahead and enable out search. So to do that, over here in the search section, you can simply go ahead and enable search right here. And once you do that, it searches for the web. So let's say, for example, over here, now you can see, give me links to research-based contents in Wikipedia, let's say, for example. So if I were to go ahead and do that over here on the right hand side, you can see that it opens up search right here and gives you the links right here, just like this. And this is how you can go ahead and enable out the search right here. It has immediate access to the web. So you can go ahead and ask things like, what are the best technology-based news today? So if I were to go ahead and do that, then it'll actually go ahead and search the web right here, and it gives you the technology news right here as well, and then gives you the technology news over here as well, as you can see. And that is how you can actually go ahead and enable out search inside of Qwen. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.